Are you moving or maybe putting some things in storage? Well, you're going to need a container. And guess what? There are bags you can use, like this one, that can replace a box. Now here's what it looks like when it's packed and ready for storage. Again, like a box, because you do have a front load scenario with the lid. A heavy duty zipper. And another feature for strong construction is the strap, which is sewed into the bag and continues around the outside for extra support. Comes with labels and a label holder, and just in case you forget to label it, you've got a window here that allows you to see what's inside. And take a look at this strap. There's one on either side, giving you another option for carrying. I'd call this fully packed, and it's 28 inches wide, and let's call it 15 inches high. 18.5 to 19 inches deep. Do you want to see exactly how much this holds? Yeah, it holds a lot. I highly recommend it.